What you doing?
Getting ready to clear the foliage because we've got Enedis turning up the day after tomorrow, which is our electrical supplier, and we've been told that there can't be any kind of obstruction whatsoever for them to bring in the new line. So yeah, that's this afternoon's plan. Clear up the foliage, make sure it's a nice safe environment for the technician. So fingers crossed, day after tomorrow when we have Enedis turning up, we might have electricity. Because I think something that we need desperately here is a fridge.